Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Мой дом, моя крепость. Часть вторая, страница 12, 13, 14, 15. English Starlight 3. My home is my castle. Homework, part number 2. Page number 12, 13, 14, 15. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 12. 12. Where's Alvin? Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Sofa, mirror, CD, football team. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. Спойте. Oh, where is Alvin? Where can he be? Come, look for Alvin. Come, look with me. Is he on the table? Is he on the chair? Is he on the sofa with the teddy bear? Let's play. Where is Alvin? Is he behind the sofa? The answer. Where is Alvin? Is he behind the armchair? Where is Alvin? Is he in the wardrobe? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 13. 13. Exercise number 3. Look, read the text and correct the mistakes. Смотрите, прочитайте текст и исправьте ошибки. Hi, my name's Lucas, and this is my room. My bed is red and white. My football team's colors. My trains and my CDs arrange my bookcase. That's my new TV on my desk. My room is cool. The answer. Hi, my name's Lucas, and this is my room. My bed is blue and white. My football team's colors. My books and CDs arrange my bookcase. That's my new computer on my desk. My room is cool. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Write about your room. Draw or stick photos. Fun time. Напишите о своей комнате. Нарисуйте или приклейте фотографии. The answer. Hi, my name's Olga, and this is my room. My bed is pink. It's my favorite color. My dolls and books are in my bookcase. That's my new computer on my desk. My room is cool. Fun time. The same word is missing from the following proverbs. Which word is it? Choose sofa, home, bed, clock, sweet. Найдите несколько пословиц на ту же самую тему. Представьте их классу. The answer. Home, sweet home. An Englishman's home is his castle. Home is where the heart is. There's no place like home. East or west, home is the best. Every dog is a lion at home. Did you know? Did you know? This is a very small house in the UK. It is 3.05 meters, x 1.8 meters. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 14, 14. Exercise number 1. Read and fill in the missing letters, then match. Прочтите и заполните пропущенные буквы, затем сопоставьте. The answer. Bookcase, computer game, mirror, armchair, computer, football team, clock, bed. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Who says the following sentences? Look at the pictures and tick. Кто говорит следующее предложение? Посмотрите на картинки и скажите. My bed is red. I've got a radio. It's on the bookcase. I love my roller skates. They are under the bed. I've got a computer. It's on the desk. Can you see my teddy bear? It's under the bed. What's on my desk? Oh, yes. My phone and my radio. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 15, 15. Exercise number 3. Find 8 words. Найдите 8 слов, запишите их в тетрадь. The answer. Cupboard, armchair, bookcase, wardrobe, bed, mirror, clock, table. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete the email. Use the words below. Прочтите и заполните электронное письмо. Используйте слова ниже. House, computer game, red, desk, TV, computer, football team. The answer. From team to Max. Subject. My new bedroom. Dear Max, guess what? We in our new house. I love my new bedroom. It's really cool. My bed is very big. It's red and white because my favorite football team is Liverpool. I've got a small TV in my room and I can watch the match every Saturday. I've got a new computer too. It's on the desk next to my bed. I can do my homework on it or play a computer game in the afternoon. What about you? What is your bedroom like? Write and tell me all about it. Best wishes, team. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,